Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth system in this Ford EcoSport. I've not done one of these before, although the radio will be the same. There will be those people out there who's searching for this particular system in this particular car, so I will do it again. So from any screen, you've got menu like so. You've got the sync settings, sync apps, audio settings, vehicle settings, clock settings, display settings, system check. So we'll go back up to sync settings, click OK, and then you've got Bluetooth on. That's the most important. If you can't pair your mobile, you can't get a signal onto your mobile, just check there's a tick in the Bluetooth on. So that's in menu and then the settings. So there's a tick in there. Then we just navigate down to Bluetooth devices, click OK. You see iPhone and Barry's iPhone. So if I click to Barry's iPhone there, at the bottom there you've got add, delete, connect, master. Now those correspond to these four buttons here. So that would be master on the connect, deletes there, and add there. So we want to delete, click delete. Delete Barry's phone, iPhone 10. Well, I've just clicked delete. Give me a choice of four. Click delete. Why not? So you've got yes and no. Click yes. That should go in a second. Barry's iPhone 10 deleted. So that's it.